Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix fingerprint scanner not working problem in your Xiaomi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly you can see if your fingerprint is not working, you have to come to the settings of Xiaomi smartphone, click on fingerprint, enable the passcode like this, and as you can see here it is fingerprint 1 and 2. You have to just click on fingerprint, remove it, click on fingerprint 1, remove it from here, click on add fingerprint, and then again you have to add it from here like this, and you have to just enable it from here. And friends, as you can see this, it is done now and it is working successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.